Hi guys, welcome to our channel Econ Simplified. In today's video, we are going to be covering a topic cost push inflation, which is very much connected to our previous video, demand pull inflation. Economy is pretty much stable right now at this state, but as the SRAS curve starts shifting left, there's a medium impact on the economy and the costs are rising. If it continues to shift left, there's a high impact and the risk of stagflation rises. If it continues to move left, the prices rise significantly and the risk of stagflation as well is rising. And if the same happens and continues to move left, the price levels rise considerably as visible from point A at 110 to point B at 140. This is nothing but cost push inflation. What are the causes for the SRAS curve to shift left? There can be many, especially around cost of production, the raw material prices rising, weather shocks, supply side shocks, war, civil unrest in the society. All of these can add on and shift the SRAS curve left. How do we define it? In an economic language, cost push inflation occurs when production cost increases, causing the aggregate supply to shift left, as we saw on the diagram. This leads to higher prices and lower output simultaneously. A dangerous phenomena, also known as stagflation, is caused because of this. What is stagflation? When the price levels, which is the inflation rate, is rising, and at the same time, the unemployment rate as well is rising. This creates a phenomena known as stagflation. It was visible to us in the Great Depression in UK when unemployment rate and the prices were rising significantly. Similarly, it was visible to us in Venezuela, in Sri Lanka, in Turkey, in Zimbabwe, wherever hyperinflation was taking place. In these regions or countries, the unemployment rate was also rising at the same time, and it can be the worst nightmare any country can have. Talking about countries, let's connect it to the real world examples. The global energy crisis, all of us are aware about the Russia Ukraine crisis and the Middle Eastern crisis, about Israel, Palestine, Syria. All of that added on and increased the price of barrel to $120 per barrel, increasing transportation and manufacturing cost worldwide. Supply chain disruptions, the Red Sea attack, um, conducted presumably by Yemen, the Israel Palestine war, Iran getting involved, all of that, and the Panama Canal drought increased the shipping cost by 300%, raising import prices. The climate change impact and the semiconductor shortages. We all are aware that Taiwan is a hub of semiconductors, but recently the climate changes, or the business climate changes to be specific, and the rise of AI and the rise in the demand and the increase in the demand for semiconductor chips created the shortage of semiconductors supplied from China throughout the globe. This created supply side shocks, again shifting the supply curve leftwards and increasing the price levels in the economy, leading to the phenomena known as cost push inflation. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.